Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another Monday, which means I'm back at Aldi. Let's get into the store, see what goods they have this week. I'm going to share with you my meal plan and all recipes at the end. But first, I have to do the Aldi walk of shame. I don't know where my quarter went from my keeper, but I need to go ask them for one. And this is a new addition to our Aldi gift cards, just in time for holiday season. We are having quesadillas later this week, so I'm going to have this. I'm making homemade salsa, but I need chips for it. We're having breakfast for dinner tonight, and this is $1 off of $2.19, so definitely going to get that. We all love this. I'm not getting all of it, but there's a lot of red stickers. I have a feeling people have been not shopping as much. Look at all of it. It's my lucky day. I came for naan, and it's on red sticker. I would love a $2 sticker or a $2 sticker, but I'll take what I can get. I'm going to get, let's see, I'm going to get 2 of these. And put one in the freezer. Pita for Elsie's lunch. She's back at school, and this is her request. Hummus and pita, $2.99. $1.79 for potato chips. My husband just asked me to get these. I wanted panini bread, but they don't have any, so I'm going to get an Italian loaf, and I'll slice it for paninis. $3.49. 95 cents for white bread for toast and peanut butter sandwiches. Okay, this looks really interesting. I'm not gonna get it, but everything croissant bread, yummy. Elsie will be so happy. If you saw last week, she came with me, and the only thing she wanted was apple cider. They didn't have it, but we're gonna get it, $5.49. The red grapes look really good, so this will be in my kids' lunches this week. I'm trying to find if they're pretty firm or not. Okay, $1.59 a pound. Lots. Blueberries are $1.89. I'm actually going to get 2 of them. My kids have been loving these really simple additions to meals and lunches. I wanted to make banana ice cream with ripe bananas, but they don't have really any ripe ones. So, I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to wait a few days, but I guess I'll get these bananas. We'll see. 36 cents a pound. Cilantro for making homemade salsa, 85 cents. I'm gonna make roasted cauliflower. Of course, after I need it all last week, they have it again. I'm grateful though, $2.45. Okay, so it's a little expensive, but we love grapefruit, and I think it'd be really good to have with breakfast tonight, so I'm gonna get a bag, $5.59. I'm getting a coleslaw mix to make an easy lo mein, $1.49. I cannot believe eggs are $3.82. That's just ridiculous. But I need them for dinner for breakfast. Breakfast for dinner. $2.78 for a gallon of 2% milk. And $1.66 for a half gallon of whole milk. I'm making ice cream with that. Heavy whipping cream, $4.69. I need this for buttered chicken. Elsie's dinner request for the week. I am super bummed because I wonder if this means it's not going to be here for good, but I got the last coconut almond milk, $3.97. This stuff is literally one of my favorite things I buy here. It's so good. Well, it looks like I'm thirsty. Also getting orange juice for tonight's dinner with vitamin D and calcium, $3.15. Getting a bag of potatoes. We are going to have baked potato bar as well as homemade french fries this week, $4.30. 4 cans of diced tomatoes at 79 cents a piece, 2 for butter chicken, 2 for salsa. I'm getting 1 thing of corn at 53 cents and 1 of black beans. I'm making corn and black bean salsa to take to my mom's this weekend. We're celebrating Christmas at her house, and I'm bringing salsa, guac, queso, and corn and black bean salsa. The onion moved on me. Sweet onions, $1.89. Jalapenos, 69 cents. I'm going to get this raspberry fruit spread for $3.29 to make raspberry thumbprints. Kids juice boxes, 3 back in school. I need 2 of them at $2.79 a piece. Poinsettias are here. I don't see a price. Oh, $3.89. Jumbo plushes, $24.99. Wrapping paper is out. Looks like really good values, $4.99 and $6.99. Now these are pretty thick rolls, so lots of cute. I love the little gnome. That's a cute one. Let's see. I have some wrapping paper on its way. I love those little Santas. Lots of Santa faces. Cute. I always like to buy my stickers here. I'm gonna get a pack of these, $1.99. This would be a cute gift. $7.99. Lots of fun items here. Wine, sweaters, blankets. Lots of Christmas decor, gnome candles, cookie sheets, and toys. Lots and lots of toys. Oh, Robo Alive. Oh, I see. My son wanted the Robo Alive snake. I only see the dino. They also have this little guy here. Not quite a snake. Can't tell what's back there. Probably the same. No, no snake. He wants that for Christmas. That would have been great to find it here. I would have loved that. Almost. But lots of different toys here. Oh, Pokemon tin. This is super cute. Oh, come let us adore him. Shaped like a Christmas tree and home for the holidays on the other side. I love that. I'm getting 2 bags of rice at $2.29 to make rice packs with. I use flannel and rice, and they're great for sore legs when kids are growing. I need 2 cans of the Casa Mamita diced tomatoes with green chilies for salsa, 85 cents a piece. And I also need quesadilla tortillas. They don't have, oh here they are. They're just covered. The burrito size. $1.95 for the big burrito size. I'm getting this linguine to make my Instant Pot easy lo mein, $1.29. My husband asked for chocolate chips for when he makes hot chocolate, $1.99. 80 cents for onion soup mix to make French onion dip with the chips for my husband. I need 2 cans of evaporated milk to make queso, $1.29 a piece. Chopped walnuts, $2.99 for my Russian tea cake cookies. $2.12 for a bag of flour. Making cookies starting this week, my thumbprints and Russian tea cakes. Sour cream for the French onion dip for chips, $1.79. I was so excited when I saw red sticker chicken, but we just eat chicken breasts because my family's picky. There's thighs and quarters. Now I didn't plan on buying this, but I'm going to get 4 things of ground beef to make taco meat in bulk. 30% off for all of them. I need donut store coffee, $4.89. Okay, they still have lots of birds, hams, lots of holiday meats. Ooh, mini wontons. I'm gonna get these to make with the lo mein. Let's see here. It's funny they have lo mein over there too. So these are $6.29, and I'll just make some of them, but they'll be delicious. Dino ABC nuggets. My son loved those. I used to spell things for him in his lunch. He loved it. Let's see, wood fire pizzas. They have the holiday shaped pizzas. Shrimp, potatoes, pierogies. Mini pancakes were a big hit at my house last week. Apple blossoms. Caramel apple blossom. That looks really good. Oh, and Aldi specialty ice creams. They're $1.99 a piece. Hot cocoa, which is chocolate ice cream with whipped cream swirl and milk chocolate flakes and peppermint. Cute. We are just out of shredded cheddar, something we keep on hand at all times, $2.59. I'm getting pepper jack cheese for my queso dip, $1.89, and then mild cheddar to go on paninis this week, $1.89. The only cheese that I cannot get here that I have to go get from Walmart is white American cheese. Elsie wants hummus for their lunch, $2.45. And guacamole to take to my mom's house. I like to make it homemade, but I never know if the avocados will be good, so $4.49. This is hilarious. My husband asked me to get strawberry water. They're out of that, but they have lime now, and lime is the only flavor he hates. I'm still gonna get one though, because my kids like this. $3.69. They only have 2 of my plain waters. I'm gonna get them both at 78 cents a piece. Okay, I'm getting holiday M&Ms for holiday baking, $3.98. I wanted Hershey Hugs, but they don't have them, so I'll look at Walmart for those. Lots of advent calendars still, and December 1st is just a few days away, so I wonder when they'll start discounting these. Getting 2 bags of broccoli, 95 cents a piece, and also cauliflower rice for butter chicken, $2.09. These are really cute holiday mats. Looks like they're on clearance for $12.99. La 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 la. Christmas tree, dog and lights, cute. Frozen strawberries to make a fruit sauce for pancakes tonight, $3.35. I love these. I have them. Definitely recommend buying them, $17.99. Okay, here's everything I have. Any guesses on my total for the week? Don't forget about my addition. My regular suggestion to put all the red sticker at the end so you can make sure they discount it. Okay, here's $176.34, what it looks like. Let's go home. I'll share with you my meal plan, and any recipes will be linked below. Okay, so our meal plan for the week, butter chicken. This is a whole shebang, but I make a sauce, paneer, cauliflower rice, white rice, naan, broccoli. It's like a favorite family dinner. My daughter Elsie requested that. We're having a baked potato bar, so I make baked potatoes, and then I have every topping you could ever dream of, and you can put it on there. Pancakes with the strawberry, if I can find rhubarb in the freezer, strawberry rhubarb sauce, eggs, toast, and grapefruit. It'll be delicious. My husband requested that dinner. Lo Ming, this is going to be a super simple instant pot meal. You put everything in there, you steam it, and it's simple. I also got the dumplings to make on the side. We're going to have paninis, and the reason I want to make paninis is we went to Five Guys this weekend, and I didn't eat it. My kids just got some French fries while we were shopping, and I wanted to have fries and malt vinegar at home, so I wanted a meal that would go well with fries. So we'll probably do grapefruit again with this dinner. Really easy quesadillas. We're doing this the night before my mom's because I'm making homemade salsa to take to her house, and it makes so much that I wanted a meal that would go good with the salsa. So we're going to have chicken quesadillas, and then at my mom's house, everyone's just bringing a bunch of snacks and appetizers. And she's making food, so I I told her I was bringing guac. I'm going to make corn and bean salsa, the Reed Drummond copycat salsa, and I'm going to make a queso. I'm also bringing some of my favorite Christmas cookies, the raspberry thumbprints, and Russian tea cakes. We do a lot of holiday baking, and this is going to be the start of it this week. So this is my meal plan for the week. If you want to see how I make salsa, you can check out this video right here. And don't forget, any recipe is linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.